Hi everyone! Today we're gonna do a reindeer. Can you see my lenses? Okay, let's get started.
I use moisturizer instead of a primer. My foundation today is my Mary Kay foundation in the shade Beige 6.
I want to start off with the base, so I'll just use my foundation to cover my face.
To continue, I use my MAC concealer. I place it on my chin, over my lips, on my nose, in my forehead, and also under my eyes. This is for highlighting, and I also use it on my eyes to prime my eyelids. This translucent powder from Makeup Store I use in my entire face to set my face. Some concealer and some translucent powder on your eyelids works just as fine as an eye primer. For my brows, I use Makeup Store's eyebrow powder.
So we're gonna start with my brows and then my eye makeup. I want my brows to have a kind of bushy look. I take this eyeliner pen and create small strokes so they look thicker. Wow. It's the first time I tried this technique and I'm like in love. Do you see the difference? This is Urban Decay pen and I used it for my brows because it's old and it doesn't even have any color left, so therefore it's like okay color, but in the beginning it's like super black, so you can't use a new Urban Decay pen for this. I'm gonna start out with my Urban Decay Heat palette in this shade.
I want to have a big eyeshadow look, so I use the entire space on my eyelid and also drag it forward. For my reindeer look, I want to have a very defined nose, so I take the shadows all the way down to my nose tip. And with a bigger brush, I smooth out the edges. My second eyeshadow from my Urban Decay Heat palette is a darker one to get a more dramatic look. For my cut crease, I use my MAC concealer. Carefully, I draw the lines and shaping my cut crease.
Now I'm just taking tops to take away the excess concealer.
I use this cream white in my inner corner and under my eyes to make an illusion that my eyes looks bigger. To set my white cream, I use my Anastasia Glow kit.
Oh my god, I'm so afraid to do my eyeliner because I'm afraid to fuck up. It's like the whole look depends on it.
I use my eyeliner from Isadora and draw a straight line from my outer corner before I take it upwards.
It's okay so far. Wow, this is cool. Just this one is like... This is so cool. I just made that. I know that they're super different, but I like it up, so I think I'm just gonna create this one a bit bigger too, because I like when the eyes are bigger. Wow! I have like the cute effect with the eyes, like...
To create a lower lash line, I draw a straight line and then some feathery strokes to make an illusion of lashes. I take the same light brown under my fake lashes to shape my under eye better. I use the same light brown in my outer corner to create dimension. And now the darker brown for more effect. I filled in the eyeliner again because the eyeshadow powder made it lighter. Then I continued with a thin line along my lash line. For a more reindeer effect, I draw a triangle in my inner corner.
I want my brows to look darker, so therefore I comb it with this brow gel.
To add some reindeer effects, I highlight with white at some places in my face and my throat. To outline my nose, I use my eyeliner. And to fill it in, I use this black cream. Draw a straight line and mush it out because I didn't want to have it super defined. I use my eyeliner to draw my upper lip for a reindeer mouth. I used my Urban Decay Shapeshifter palette to contour my face. I added some white over my lips.
I'm trying to shape my face because I want like a long appearance because the reindeers are very long in their faces and like long necks. So therefore I'm like putting the light here and the dark here.
To warm my face up, I used a bronzer in the same palette. To resemble the reindeers, I made the contouring very dark. Lash time with my duo glue. I place my lashes and then I carefully put it in the outer corner and inner corner to really seal it. Then I squeeze the fake lash with my natural lashes to really set it. I glued these small lashes on my bottom lid for some extra effect. I draw a bunch of dots with my white pen from H&M.
Now it's wig time!
I use this wig sock to take away my own hair underneath the wig.
And this is the beautiful wig I'm gonna wear.
I took some of the upper hair and made a knot behind my head so you could see my makeup better.
Oh my god, I'm out walking around like this. Now it's time for some posing in the woods. So much for watching through the entire video. I hope you had just as fun watching it as I did making it, and I would be so happy if you liked and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.